Yo, welcome back guys. Today we're putting the Mishimoto cooler on the S15 and Curtis has put in the short shifter on the S13. Yeah?
Yeah.
Is that all we're doing today?
Yeah, just a little
well, we'll probably run out of light, to be fair. So
about 15 minutes.
Well, about 15 minutes of light left because now it gets dark at like 7:30. So, let's go. Whoever put this bumper on last has rounded the bolt. Shit. Whoa, shit.
I wonder who did that.
Right guys, the bumper is off. It's over here. This is the Blitz one that we're taking off, which isn't actually that bad. It looks a bit dirty. Probably looks a bit worse than it is, to be fair. Could do with a good clean.
Good jet wash.
Good jet wash.
Brand new. Looks like someone's painted it black as well at some point.
Yeah, that's probably why it looks like it does. So, to get the Blitz cooler off, we need that top bolt there. I think there's two under here. Yeah, one there and one there. And then just the clamps on either end of the intercooler. And we should be golden to put the Mishimoto one back on. Right guys, the cooler's off. It's there. Can we have a size comparison? There's Curtis's old cooler down there.
We don't talk about Curtis' good cooler.
Yeah, it's a bit fuck you. Oh, that looks so sick. It looks so much shinier. Love that. Oh fuck, it is actually quite a bit bigger.
Yeah.
It is actually quite a bit bigger. Shit.
Same in length, but you've probably got another 2 rows.
Oh, it's actually quite a bit taller, isn't it? Oh, let's hope it goes quicker. Right guys, what we're gonna do, because the different sizes of the intercoolers and how they line up, we're gonna have to, like the holes are slightly like parted, like where the thread is, so we're gonna have to adjust the brackets and take the brackets off the car, and I'm hoping that these holes under here will fit with the Mishimoto one. Obviously it was bolted by this bracket here for the Blitz cooler. I'm hoping we can do something with the holes up there for the Mishimoto one, and maybe do something with these brackets.
Yeah,
maybe reuse them.
To be like moved across.
Yeah. We'll see. We'll see what it says.
So we've got it into where we want it. I'm just going to fetch a marker pen just to mark where the new brackets go.
I think somewhere there.
Yeah, that looks
I don't
good.
think that's far off. I could probably do with moving the horns. This one touches slightly, I'll just bend the brackets backwards a little bit.
Oops, it's moved. I don't have a small drill bit. And here's the result of one. Of the rib knot.
Ignore the runs, Curtis painted it. Thank God you made a better job of the trims. Alright, so we found a bolt, guys. It's a bit long. Curtis is about to wind a hole in my AC radiator. So love that.
Yeah, at least you're lucky enough to have AC on your Japanese.
Rip.
Mine's been deleted.
Rip.
Thank you.
Rip to the S13. Right, that's the second one done, guys. And I accidentally missed with the fucking, with the paint. I accidentally missed and sprayed that bolt instead. But we do have the riv knot in there now to replicate this side. So that should match and be even both sides now.
Should.
Ready for the cooler.
My engineering measurements.
We're just using a bit of PFM here, a bit of pure fucking magic, just to get a bolt into the top, because obviously it doesn't have one in the top like the Blitz one did in the middle. We have one either side, but we don't quite know where we're gonna get to that. What the fuck is that?
What do you mean? This is your saviour, is what this is. Look at it, it's like it's meant to be.
No, use the old one. No, use the old one. Where's the old one?
What?
The old bracket. Where's the old bracket?
I can't use the old bracket.
Yeah, but now you've got rid of that. Yeah, just use that.
Yeah, to what? To what?
Put a twist where your thumb is. Put a twist
on it, yeah, but
put a twist on it and just
get drill in there.
What, in there?
Oh yeah, to put a riv knot in it.
No, you don't put a riv knot in it. Just put a nut and bolt in it.
Oh.
You know what I mean? Just twist it so that that hole comes up. Yeah, see? Engineer. Engineer. Yeah. I could tell. I could tell.
Hang on, let me readjust.
What do you mean, which way has it got to bend? I don't think of the details, mate. I just say words. I just say words.
Almost there. So it's Christmas.
September. Ooh. Ooh.
Wait, hang on.
Ooh, that's a bend, that is.
That's added.
Looks like a turkey
strength.
Twizzler now.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's gonna fucking snap on my way to work in the morning.
We'll put some safety tie wraps in it.
We'll put some safety cable ties. It is dark out here now. Damn.
Oh no, I've gone too far. Oh wait. Oh yeah.
Oh.
Oh yeah, lines up with the OEM captive.
OEM.
Okay.
Can we put that bracket back on first? And then line it up with the OEM captive. Oh shit.
I think that was tight, but that's just... You can never be too sure. Ah, see, it wasn't. Now it is. And where's all them little teeny tiny bolts gone?
There, mate, there. Right in front of you. This is magic oil.
Yep. You can't actually buy this magic oil anymore. Because people found out. Yep. Right. Do you know when
People found out what?
that is actually magic oil?
Mate, that's your piss in a tin. Don't even at me. How would they know? They're gonna know. How would they know? Just remember, guys, it don't matter if it's cross-threaded or torque to spec. Any's in.
Tight is tight.
Tight is tight. We actually managed to reuse everything that held the other intercooler on. I'm quite impressed.
I'm very impressed.
I'm quite impressed.
It's like
it's proper solid as well.
It's not going anywhere.
But do that bumper fit though?
Yes. Yes it do.
It fucking better do. Can't not. It's not much different from what it was.
Yeah, the bar mount move.
Fight! Fuck's sake. I made myself giggle with that.
I'm not going to get to sleep tonight.
Right guys, there we go. Oof. We are on. We are on. It's pretty secure as well. It's not moving anywhere. So now all we've got to do is throw the bumper back on. and we're away. Let's go. But there we are, guys. Ugh. The cooler is on. Very, very similar looking to the other one. It is slightly off center, I think. There's a bit of a gap there. Not really a gap that side, but a little M underneath. But yeah, that's it. The bumper actually took longer to put on and still doesn't fit right. If it's exactly the same as it did last time. But yeah, the intercooler is on. So right guys, we are now done. Everything is on. In the next one we are going to fit the short shifter. Not fall over. Fit the short shifter. Probably go for a drive because the S13 is now on the road. It does drive a lot better than it started in the first video. And yeah, so that's what we'll be doing. Right, see you then guys. Bye.